Hi YouTubers, welcome to my video, and today I'm going to show you how to change the expansion bottle for Chevrolet Orlando. Few days had problem with the heating system, so it does come on, but there were no heat. So my first guess is there was no water in my radiator, and that was the truth. So I went to Tesco to buy myself 4 liters of distilled water, which is green, but Vauxhall and Chevrolet recommend the pink water. In my case, because I have flushed my radiator, so I can use the green water. So this has sorted the issue of heating, but the time I was driving to Paris, then I could see smoke coming under the hood. So I called the breakdown recovery, and straight away he told me there's no trip to Paris today because your expansion bottle, the pipe has snapped off. So I went online and bought this for about 24 to receive the next day. They cost about £9. So this is step by step. I'm going to show you how I changed and I was able to travel to Paris. Before you do that, make sure that your new one also you have filled in with the water and there's no leak around here as well, because they are aftermarket, so you need to test them before. That's going to be step by step. We will need to take this clamp out, and then we also need to remove this. Make sure the engine is completely cold. This one we don't need to do anything because it's already up, and this is the main issue, and there is no water here. So make sure also you remove slowly. Do this slowly because the water pressure could come up. Remove that, and then underneath there is here like there's like a lock which we slide in. You won't be able to see it now until when I remove it. I'll show you. So make sure after you have removed all the clamp, the other side here, you need to slide it in this side. We're going to remove this battery terminal first and make sure you position it into the correct place where it's not gonna touch any metal. So next step, it's going to be this one. Need to remove the clip, slow and easy, and take it out. So this is the clip, put it aside. So this is now loose. So the next step is to remove this underneath here, and this. Now you just need to wiggle it around and just pull it out. So now it's just to slide it on your way. As I said, that there is like a slide underneath there, and put it away. So now I'm going to install a new one which goes around here. I need to secure this first, and then we will connect the top one. So now it is straightforward, just to reverse what we were doing before by putting the clips inside, the pipe, the hose inside, and make sure that it touches the radiator expansion bottle there, and you're going to put the clamp on top. You just want to make sure that you're doing it slow, and once this is done, you can do the same thing for the second one. So this was the main issue for mine, the top one, and now we have changed the expansion bottle. We are ready to go. So thanks very much for watching, and if you feel like this video helped, just share it, subscribe and like it. And if you've got any question regarding where I purchased these parts, just put a comment, and I will send you the link. Thanks very much, and have a lovely day. Bye bye.